Hazrat Abu Abdurrahman narrates that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched a detachment and appointing an Ansari, their commander, ordered them to obey him. That commander got offended with them for some reason and said, did not the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam command you to obey me? The people replied, why not? The commander said, I have intended that you, after collecting fuel and making a fire, should enter that fire. They thereupon collected the fuel so it to fire. Then, when they were about to enter it, they stopped and started looking at one another. Some of them said, we obeyed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to protect ourselves from fire. Then why should we enter it? They were still on the horn of dilemma when the fire got extinguished, and on the other hand, the fury of the commander abated as well. When it was mentioned to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if they had entered that fire, they would never have come out of it. For obedience is only in good deeds. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7145.